is MEGAMALL Part 71. Hello, buddy. Oh, that's your cat. We're going to bio-research now. Oh, there's a Pomeranian in the list. Why is he run like that? Oh God, there's an entire traffic happening there that makes no sense. Dog hunter activated. Oh, this place is full. First floor, the food court. Okay, there's a dachshund in the list, and she do. I have a great feeling today. First, let's go to Wilson. What's happening? See what they got. So we got a dachshund, and then a French bulldog, and then an African pinscher and another African pinscher. Don't tap on the glass. I can clearly see there's small fish. Look at the fish. Oh my God, look at this fish. He's so fat. He's so fat. What the heck? The heck, man? Let's check. Here, what's in here? Yo, whoa, there's black fishes. Wow. Wilson, me boy. How's it going, Wilson? Do you miss me? Wilson. Wilson. I don't think he still remembers me, but he's Wilson. Wilson. Why you look fatter? Good boy, Wilson. You look definitely fatter today, Wilson. Hello, buddy. You're so adorable. Wilson. Wilson, B-boy. Wilson, you're so adorable. Goodbye, Wilsons. Come back to you later. Okay? Still wearing sneakers. Going up the air, can't wait time. Here's a dead human that's color white. Why is the music like this? What the heck? Sneakers. Like them. Just kidding. We got slides. We got shoes. By the way, it's Saturday. It's a broken leaf. Wrong. I'm rolling. Oh, my balls. Yo, I landed here. There's no way. Oh, yo, hey, chill. My balls. Claw. Ah, my eyes are burning, and this is very cool light. I'm in the bed.